All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. Welcome back to the channel. I got a bear box, a black one, for you guys over here. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, check out fablades.com, see what is going on there, do all the good stuff that you want to do. Anyways, classic Shirogorov box, black, with a new certificate of authenticity. It's like this way, not this way anymore, but anyways, same, but different. Here you go. We got a microfiber cloth in the box, and you have this bad boy in the box as well. It is a pretty cool one, made in Russia. This is the F95 bear pattern. It's a frame lock. It's the F95. It's another variation of your beloved F95, and it's a classic. It's a staple. It's I don't know how to say, eternal look. It is the same but different. It has been refined many times, and here you find it with a backspacer, all the bells and whistles for the production, highest level of production level of Shirogorov knives. You know, titanium handles with this dual tone finish. As you can see with the bear pattern, of course, these are tiny bear logos and a big bear logo right over here. Nice dual tone finish. It's coming in various colors. This, of course, is the gray one. There's a beautiful chamfering going on around all the edges of the handle. Look at this widening up here, and the shoulder a little bit thicker around the screw. Nice little detail. It's a 2D milling going on in this case. It's not like a 3D like reserved for the custom division. You have some pretty cool internal skeletonization to reduce the weight on both sides, even on the lock bar. It is crazy. They reduce the weight for a good amount. You have classic finger groove with the real estate enough to disengage the lock bar. Very comfy. You have, of course, a backspacer, nicely geared up with integrated lanyard hold, rock and rolling right over there. Very subdued, very subtle. You don't see the hole at all. Of course, it's gonna be centered with this kind of floating backspacer right over here, beautifully, safely recessed. It's not gonna go anywhere. When it's closed, I mean, it has a classic Shirogorov look, very sleek, elegant at the same time, but a little bit flashy with these bears all over the place. It's pretty much the perfect flipper tab. You can push button, you can light switch it without cutting yourself, and it's geared, so nice and grippy, and it's very hard to fail and just whips out like a rock. Look at this. It has you know, pretty much flush hardware, not sticking out, it's not protruding anyways. You gotta need probably, you know, if you don't want to mar or risk to mar these screws, just get the Shirogorov tool, or you can get some wreck tool. It's same thing, or just, you know, screwdriver with tape to cover the tip of the tool, so you're not gonna be scratching this pretty cool hardware, right? Very easy to disassemble. You got some loose bearings, but check one of my disassemble video. You're gonna be able to do it yourself pretty easily. The pivot is captive in this case, and also the body screw, so yay, finally. It has been a while that people were asking for this change, and it happened. Very cool. You have a stabilizer for the lock bar, which is integrated in the lock face insert, as you can see right over there. Pretty cool. You cannot overextend the lock bar, so very nice. What else can I say? I mean, pocket clip is spectacular, very cool design, but most of all, it works very well. Look at the ramps. That's how you do a pocket clip, guys. Very cool. Not reversible, of course, it's gonna just stay there. The blade is a classic drop point. You can see it is just very, very F95E, but there's some a little modification from previous versions. This is in M390 steel. You see that these blades are hand ground. There is a beautiful jimping going on, which is not very effective, I have to say. It's pretty cool looking though. There's a cut right over here. Nice wedge reaching almost the tip of the blade, 50% belly straight edge up to the sharpening choil, plunge grind in the Shirogorov style with the sharpening choil right before the chamfered detail on the flipper tab. Stone washed finish for the blade. Minimal billboarding, it's just M390 on this side. This is a classic sounding Shiro. It's whipping out like crazy. When you close it gently, clock, very dry, nice clank. Oh, I failed it. Medium to firm detent. The feel in the hand is just classic. It's gorgeous. It's not gonna go anywhere. No hot spots. It just, you know, it's perfect. I would say it is a perfect grip for my hands. There's nothing going on. You can do reverse grip easily. You can do this fab, it has been called, you know, easily fab lock release, or you can do it just with your thumb and just have the blade just coming down. You could do this, you know, it's very handleable, and it's a staple, it's a classic, it's solid. The texture on the handle is gonna add some grip for sure, so it's not feeling slippery or anything. There's no rattling when you shake this thing. It's well put together, zero lock stick, no finger, so you can play with this thing forever. It's very fidgety. It's you know, it's a Shiro, so it's gonna have the classic action that you would expect from Shiro. Even if I have to say, lately their detent is a little bit firmer, and the action is not as smooth as it was before out of the box. So you gotta tweak it a little bit, but still pretty cool. You have MRBS, so multi-row bearing system, which are loose under the hood. There are some washers as well, so they are not going to grind on the titanium handle. Very fast action. You see, there's no drop shot, anything. You gotta shake it to get it close, but still, it's pretty smooth. No guillotine. Detent on this one is medium strong. You have a little bit of a suction right over here, and I mean, this is it's a classic one. I forgot to show you the weight and the size of this guy, so let's do it. Let's see, when it's open, you got look at this, almost 4 inches for the blade. It's a big boy, and almost 9 inches for the whole thing deployed. You want to see how thick is the stock? Sure, I'll tell you in millimeters, because that's what's happening. It's 3.3 millimeters, guys. So there you have it. It is a pretty cool iteration. Check out all the colors that are available. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, because I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.